Welcome to Mystic Momo. I am Century Paul. I am not a chef, but I'm going to share my story. As I said, I'm not a chef, but I always wanted to be. From childhood, I dreamt a lot of professions, but finally, I decided to be a chef. If no one calls me chef, then I will call myself. That much I am stubborn. When I saw a person who is continuously working in the kitchen to please the guest, making new dishes, garnishing a lot of plates, and inventing a new era. So I inspired by them. I want to be one of them, but unfortunately I can't. So, after a lot of distraction, I decided to choose my dream over career. It will take a lot of time to get the perfection. Baking sponges to icing a cake, isn't it feel so easy to make? Trust me, it's not. This is my 7 day of practicing. Till now, I'm not satisfied to get the perfection or with the result. But as I said before, I am so stubborn. I will continue my practicing. Also, will share the journey with my YouTube family as well. Sometimes life gives us a little joy, memory to make a day memorable. It happened with me too. Yesterday I got 5 cake orders and no one was there to give a final touch. I just make myself so calm and remind myself, Century, you can do it. You are the best. And I repeated this 3 times. Guess what? Finally I did this. Oh, forget it. Do not think I made a whole cake ready. Icing cream is the most difficult part for me till now. This is the most difficult part that I can practicing continuously from the 7 days to till now, and I succeeded on it. Congratulations, Century! You will become a chef soon. So, till now, this is my story, and as usual, I end up with a great smile, and I made myself so interested in this bakery profession that I will definitely get the success from scratch to up. So for now, tata, bye.